Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be diving into the top 5 best sheet sanders currently available on the market. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, these tools are essential for achieving that smooth, finished look you're going for. We'll break down each product in detail so you can make the best decision for your projects. As always, you can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the WEN 6313 Electric 1/3 Sheet Sander. If you're on a budget, but still need a reliable tool, this sander is worth considering. Featuring a 3/5/8 by 7/3/8 inch sanding surface and powered by a 1.2 amp motor that delivers 12,000 OPM orbits per minute, it's a solid choice for small, light-duty jobs. It also includes a dust collection bag to help keep your workspace clean, which is a nice touch for its price point. In terms of design, the WEN 6313 is incredibly lightweight at just 3 pounds. This makes it easy to maneuver, especially for extended periods of use. The Velcro base pad is a practical feature, allowing for quick and easy sandpaper changes, which is especially handy for beginners. However, the build quality feels a bit less durable compared to the other contenders on this list, which is expected given its price. This sander is ideal for occasional home use or minor touch-up projects. While it may not have the power or durability for professional applications, it's hard to beat the value it offers at under $20. The main drawback is its lower power compared to other models, meaning it may struggle with tougher materials or larger surfaces. Overall, the WEN 6313 is perfect for those on a tight budget who need a no-frills tool for light tasks. Coming in at number 4 is the Bosch GSS2040 Orbital Finishing Sander. This mid-range option is powered by a 2 amp motor, delivering 12,000 OPM for efficient sanding performance. Its standout feature is the precision-machined aluminum sanding plate, which ensures a smooth and even finish. Additionally, it includes an integrated dust collection system with a microfilter for capturing fine dust particles, keeping your work environment cleaner. The Bosch GSS2040 is designed with comfort in mind. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during prolonged use, while the low vibration operation makes it easier to handle for extended periods. While the tool feels sturdy and well constructed, it does lack some of the advanced features seen in higher-end models, such as variable speed control. This sander offers great value for hobbyists and semi-professionals who need a reliable tool for medium-duty tasks. It's not the cheapest option, but the balance of performance and quality justifies its price. On the downside, the dust collection system, while helpful, isn't the most efficient when compared to more premium models. Nonetheless, the Bosch GSS2040 is a great choice for users looking for a solid, all-around sheet sander without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Makita BO3710 Sheet Finishing Sander. Known for its ergonomic design and robust construction, this sander is a favorite among professionals. It features a 1.7 amp motor capable of delivering 11,000 OPM, making it a great choice for achieving a smooth finish. The tool's built-in counterbalance system minimizes vibration, and the large 2-finger trigger with a lock-on button ensures comfort during extended use. The Makita BO3710 stands out for its thoughtful design. It includes an efficient through-the-pad dust collection system with a high-capacity dust bag, keeping your workspace clean. The rubberized grip and aluminum cast shoe base add durability and precision to the overall build quality. Paper changes are quick and easy thanks to the large rubberized clamping lever. This model is ideal for woodworkers, carpenters, and DIYers who need a reliable and efficient tool for medium to heavy-duty tasks. While it's not the most budget-friendly option, its performance and build quality make it worth the investment. However, it lacks variable speed control, which could limit its versatility for certain applications. Overall, the Makita BO3710 is a solid performer for those who value durability and consistency. Our runner-up is the DEWALT DWE6411 4th-inch electric sheet sander. Powered by a robust 2.3 amp motor, this sander operates at an impressive 14,000 OPM for fast and efficient sanding. One of its standout features is the locking dust pour system, which ensures a secure connection to your vacuum for superior dust collection. The improved paper clamp design also offers better retention, making it easier to keep your sandpaper in place during operation. In terms of design, DEWALT has focused on reducing vibration and improving user comfort. The rubberized overmold grip provides excellent control, while the separate counterweight system minimizes hand fatigue. Its reduced overall height allows you to get closer to your work surface, enhancing precision. The durable construction ensures this tool can handle demanding tasks, making it a great choice for both professionals and serious DIYers. The DWE6411 strikes a perfect balance between performance and value. While it doesn't have the cordless convenience of our top pick, it excels in delivering consistent results for a wide range of applications. The only downside is that it can be slightly bulky compared to more compact models. If you're looking for a high-performing corded sander with great dust management, the DEWALT DWE6411 is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right sheet sander for your needs. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product comparisons. If you have any questions about these sanders, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.